Hey guys, it's Pat here, going to do a review of the ROM update for the Samsung i910. Let me go over the widgets with you here first. Basically the widgets are set up the same as they were before. You have all your basic widgets here, your game widget that'll take you to your different games on your phone, the calendar widget. You get the clock widget here as well. You can still move them all around just like you normally could, obviously. They added a couple nice widgets here. You have this WeatherBug widget, which takes a second because it loads directly from weatherbug.com. It's pretty big, but it has some nice features. You can update it right from the widget page. Takes a second, but rather quick. You can click on it, it'll actually bring it full screen. It'll give you a 6-day weather forecast, and you can also do multiple cities at the same time. Let's X out of there and put that back. Oops. And what's nice about this is they gave a widget setting here that you can add and delete widgets that you don't like to use. Let me add this MSN Live search that they added on this ROM update. What it does here is it directs you straight to Bing.com, and you can type in your search right here from your widgets page. Let's search, let's do Pocket Now here. And it uses Opera Mobile to direct you. Internet's slow here where I am. And there it is. And you get all your search results for Pocket Now. PocketNow.com. And it uses Bing for that. Let's exit out of Opera. They added this easy settings program here that will change the settings on your phone. It's a TouchWiz based, so everything's rather finger friendly here with your sound, and you can check your memory. They had a couple one-click settings that they call. You can change the sound profile, turn your vibrate on and off, and it's fairly quick. You can go down to your all settings. Now this brings you back to your standard Windows settings page, but still rather nice with a couple of the shortcuts. They added a smart memo page, which you can use the touch screen and add some different notes and such. If you want to make a little grocery list, just as an example, you can do milk and just juice. But it works a lot better with a stylus. My handwriting's off a little bit there. Let's get out of here. I'll show you. They added this text message retry program. I'm not actually sure why they would have added this, because I would think that with the ROM update they wanted to save space, but they added this, which I think is rather useless. If we go into the settings here, the big thing that they added this on this ROM update is on the phone setting. Oh, that already popped down. If you go to the services tab, they have a GPS setting now. So if you click on that and go to change setting down there at the bottom, you can turn your location on, which is nice, and that allows outside GPS programs to use your phone's GPS, and they finally open the GPS on the i910. So that's basically it. Very nice update, very happy with it, and I think the other widgets are pretty useful. Hey guys, Pat here, going to do a quick review of the SenseUI skin for Mobile Shell 3. Let's unlock the device here. As you can see, it's a lot different from Mobile Shell 3. Different widgets there that you can see. The buttons are different on the bottom. Your right one still does your edit layout, your add widgets. The left one still brings you to your programs, settings folder, things like that. This middle button here brings you to a program shortcut page where you can do 16 shortcuts for your favorite programs. I've actually done 5 on my front screen as well. Let's see the different widgets that they added. You can see all the standard widgets that came with Mobile Shell 3. They added a ton of clocks. Lots of analog clocks, digital clocks, some different weather widgets, different agenda widgets. Keep going down. All the way down at the bottom is where they have the different email, missed calls, and text message widgets. A lot of people forget they're all the way down there at the bottom. The agenda is different on this. You can have an agenda that shows 5 appointments, and mine actually shows 6. I don't have 6 appointments coming up there, but it shows 6 for some reason. They've added 7 pages to Mobile Shell 3. Now you could add pages with Mobile Shell 3 with the registry edit, but this way they're right there. This tracker here at the bottom allows you to skip to different pages. Now this is what I really like. The weather widgets here on the last page is a 5-day weather forecast. You can see today and the next 4 days. Looks very sharp. My only problem with it is here is if you go to edit layout, if you remember on Mobile Shell 3, when you clicked it, you could move it from one page to another. Now it doesn't allow you to do that with the Sense UI theme. It doesn't allow you to do that for any of the widgets. You can just remove them. You're not allowed to move them from one page left or right like you used to. I'd like to take up that page that I don't have filled there in between my agenda and my weather. Not too big of a deal. One negative aspect it has. But other than that, I'm very happy with the theme, and I think it gives Mobile Shell a brand new face. It's like a whole new program.